Hello and welcome to Gattefossé Tech Chats. The aim of this format is to deliver a short presentation on our product in 5 minutes. This presentation is about Compritol 888 Atto, a compressible powder to make straightforward lipid matrix tablet for sustained release. To start this presentation, I would like to explain you what are the difference between HPMC and lipid tablet regarding drug release mechanism. For HPMC tablet, on contact with the aqueous medium, tablets jellifies, forming an hydrophilic barrier which prevents immediate drug release. Drug diffuse out slowly from the jellified matrix, which dissolves and erodes over time. Therefore, drug release is governed by a zero-order release. In contrast, Compritol 888 is a water-insoluble excipient which does not swell or erode in contact with the aqueous medium. Then, tablet forms an inert matrix through which the drug diffuses out slowly. The matrix and tablet size does not change, but become more porous. Therefore, drug release is governed by pure diffusion, and the release kinetic is principally first order. In formulation, designing a Compritol 888 sustained release matrix tablets is relatively straightforward because drug release is only governed by diffusion. So generally, we are only looking at the API drug solubility and nature of the diluent because they will directly impact the matrix structure and solubility for drug release property. This table gives you a simple guideline for starting points when you are developing a sustained release tablet using wet granulation or direct compression. If the drug is poorly soluble, like nifedipine, ibuprofen, or ketoprofen, then we recommend to start the formulation using a low concentration of Compritol 888 Atto in tablet, and then you can adjust by using the right water-soluble diluent, and sometimes you might need a weighting agent to enhance drug solubility in the aqueous media. When the drug is more soluble, having moderate solubility or high solubility, and you have different examples here, then it requires higher concentration of Compritol 888. You don't need to add any weighting agent in this case, and you have to adapt the right water-insoluble or water-soluble diluents, giving you the right drug release kinetic. If the target drug release profile is not optimized, then different solutions can be proposed based on formulation or process modification. The first one is to adjust Compritol concentration in your tablet. By increasing the concentration of Compritol 888 Atto, you are simply decreasing the drug release, as shown here in this example. Going from 5% to 40%, you can simply decrease the drug release. The second option is to adapt your diluent type, because by using different diluent, you can change the drug release profile. Here, this example shows you the same tablet composition, but the difference is only the filler nature. Here, increase diluent water solubility, increase the drug release. Here you have the difference between insoluble decalcium phosphate, the blue curve, and the red curve is a soluble sugar, a lactose. Okay. Here also you see the impact on the microtomographic images of Compritol 888 tablet after 6 hours of dissolution in phosphate buffer. You see that diluent impacts the porosity after 6 hours. That's why the drug release is increased. In diffusion-driven drug release, the dimension of the dosage form correlates with the drug release rate. Therefore, the adjustment of tablet dimensions provides scope to optimize the drug release profile. In this slide, you see the example of a formulation with theophylline, same formulation with different tablet size, and just by increasing the specific surface area of the tablet, we can increase the drug release rate. Last but not least, you can also use hot process in order to slow down drug release. A drug is then embedded within the Compritol 888 Atto matrix tablets, as shown in the graphs, and then it reduces the wettability of the tablet compared to regular or cold processed tablet. This is interesting for highly water-soluble drugs or scope for innovation. Compritol 888 matrix can also be used in mini tablet. You can see here example with two different API with tablet size of 2 mm and 3 mm. We obtain drug release profile on 12 hours. If you want more information on this, you can check our website or ask Gattefossé. Okay, see you soon for another Tech Chats.